They are mysterious spirits, said to haunt old houses, especially during quiet nights when everything should be still. This is Yanari. People say they cause strange creaking, banging, and shaking sounds inside homes, even when no one is there. In the past, when houses suddenly rattled at night with no clear reason, many believed Yanari were responsible. Some stories describe them as small, invisible creatures running across ceilings and walls, making noise just to scare the people living inside. Although they rarely harm anyone, their sudden noises can turn a peaceful night into a very unsettling one.